Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make moving background in Canva. For example, you can see right here that the background is moving, and you can also see that I've added an additional animation. Now to do this, all you'll need to do is go onto Canva. So let's do that. Once on Canva, from here you can choose what type of video or so on you'd like to create. So for example, let's say we were to tap on videos, and I'm just going to be selecting 1920 by 1080px. You can also use Instagram or so on. You can select whichever dimension you want. Once you have done that, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you could tap on uploads, and you could upload the image that you would like to set as your background. But for this example, I'm going to be selecting elements, and I'm just going to be using a random element. So for example, let's say I were to type in C, and I'm just going to select photos, and then I'm going to be using this photo. What I'll do, I'll select the image that I'd like to use as my background. After you have selected the image, all you'll need to do now, you're going to simply tap on the three dots right here. After tapping on the three dots, you're going to tap on set image as background. After you have set the image as background, as you can see at the moment, this is just a still image. As you can see right there, it is not moving. Now to make it animated, I'm going to select the entire page. After you have done that, you're going to see the option animate from the top navigation bar. You're going to tap on animate. Then after you have done that, you can scroll down, and you can see different animations that you can use. But you're going to be using one of the bottom animations. So right where you see photo movement, you can select any one of these three animations. So you can see right there, you can either select photo flow, photo rise, or photo zoom. So you can select this. So I'll be selecting photo zoom. Then you can select whether you'd like it to be animate on entry or on exit. After you have done this, if it is a case that you will be adding another image that you'll also like to animate, what I want you to do, you're going to select the page, then you're going to tap on the three dots that says more, and you're going to tap on lock background. After you have locked the background, let's say we were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on elements, or I could even add in a text, for example. So I'll just be adding a random text. So let's say for example this text box right here, and I'll just type in simple answers just for example's sake. Then after doing that, let's say I wanted to animate the text box also. You could do this with an image if you want. Then all you'll need to do now, you can tap right here, right where you see fade, and from there you could add in your own animation. So we can animate the text. So let's say I would like the text to be, for example's sake, in a different animation. So I can scroll down, and you can see the different animations that I can use. So let's say for example's sake, the animation that I want to use is this one, the wipe option. I can select that. Now if we were to tap on play, so if we were to carry it back, tap on play, you can see that the background has its own animation and the text has its own animation. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on download, and you will be able to download it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.